What is up, everyone? Have you ever noticed that when you are building things in Bubble over here on the canvas, that when you pull in data from dynamic blue expressions, that it can really mess with the design and the layout uh, of your canvas, so basically the layout of your design. And when you compare that to actually what is over, in your actual design here, we have someone's name, we have the date, we have the latest message, and yet over here, boom, this is, this long thing for the latest message. We'll stick around. In this quick tip, I'm going to show you a new release that Bubble added, which makes our lives much nicer in terms of dealing with messy canvas editing environments. So here it is. The quick tip revolves around this new canvas placeholder attribute on the property settings panel under the appearance tab. We see that we can now take this and we could say name. We could take this and we could say latest message. This one will say time, and boom, just like that, the whole area of the canvas here is now actually matching roughly the layout of what we'll have here for the design. And now the right side tidied up as well. So hope you enjoyed this tip for how to keep your Bubble editor backend pretty clean and basically in line with what you expect it, how you expect it to look for the design. If you like this video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more tips about Bubble, and thanks for watching.